Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a spring lookbook for 2019. I really wanted to do this video. I'm very excited to show you guys. I did work quite hard on it and I like the outfits that are in the video, so I hope you do too. And it's going to be a bunch of outfits. Some of the outfits aren't as springy as you might suspect. Like, not all of them have shorts or like long sleeves. They're kind of different just because where I live it's hot because Texas is bipolar weather. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway. If you do, make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up and turn on those post notifications so you can see when I post first. Make sure to follow my social medias down below, and let's get into the video.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away.
I just want to apologize for my hair real quick. I'm about to go get it done, but right now it looks like really bad.
Will you still be here?